Okay, guys, we are almost live. We are just waiting for YouTube to fire up, and I think we're there. Okay, guys, we are live. Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Watching the Watchers Live. Obviously, I am not Robert Gruler. It's me, Miss Faith. I'm the creative director here at R&R Law Group in the always beautiful and sunny Scottsdale, Arizona, where our team and I have helped thousands of good people facing criminal charges. We have seen many problems throughout our justice system. I'm talking about misconduct with the police, prosecutors behaving poorly. We have judges not particularly interested in a thing called justice, and it all starts with the politicians. The ones who write the laws, or the ones who write the rules and pass the laws that they expect you and I to follow, but sometimes have a little difficulty doing so themselves. And that is how Watching the Watchers was born. So with your help, we can shine the big, beautiful spotlight of accountability and transparency back down upon our very system with the hope of encouraging meaningful change. And that is why we're so grateful that you're here today. Whew, that was a lot. So obviously, I am not Rob, like I said. It's me, Faith. And thank you all for being here. I know you guys have been waiting for me to come on the show. It is a little nerve-wracking. I was telling Rob how I was shaking, and I still kind of am, but it's pretty cool. Just it kind of feels like I'm talking to myself, which that's kind of what I'm doing. But thank you all for helping us get to 100K subscribers on YouTube. It's been a long journey, but we have been working really hard on this. I still remember when it was just like myself watching Rob go live and like the rest of the office, and we just had our videos up, and then eventually those numbers just started growing, and now we're where we are today. And so it's really cool to watch that and be part of it. It's a lot of fun because usually like I'm right back there in my office and I'm helping Rob with the show prep and whatnot, and keeping track of what you guys are saying and giving him the feedback of what you guys want to hear more of. So it's super awesome to finally be kind of like talking to you. So I guess I'll just tell you a little bit about myself. So I am 23 years old. I graduated from ASU. I graduated with a degree in philosophy. And I originally wanted to go to law school, which is why I ended up getting a job at a law firm. And when I first got to R&R, I wasn't exactly sure what I was going to be doing, but I ended up helping Rob with some of like his endeavors and his YouTube videos, and editing those and getting those up and all the social media things. And so now it just kind of like transpired into a creative director job. And so I do all the social media here at R&R. I help with email marketing. I help with just creating any type of like marketing material. I help with Facebook ads and Google ads. I help with website design. Really anything that has kind of like a creative touch, I am part of it, or it has touched my hands at some point. So that is what I do. And then in my free time, I love to cook. And so I recently started kind of like my own, not a channel yet, but I was thinking about maybe making YouTube videos one day. But right now I am just making reels on Instagram, and then I'm also making TikTok. So I just repost them from Instagram to TikTok, and then I send my TikTok followers over to my Instagram. So then you can see the whole recipe that's in my Instagram caption. So I guess I can show you that really quickly. Let's see. Okay. So here is my Instagram, and this was my personal Instagram at first. So like if you scroll all the way down, it has like my regular picture since it was personal. Oh, maybe I should. There we go. And then these are the videos that started. So I started making these a little like after Christmas, and it's basically just like fast like cooking videos. So let's see, we can do, this is the one I did for Valentine's Day.
Damn. I like me better when I'm with you.
Maybe.
I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time. I stayed for a long time, cause I like me
so that's
better
basically
when
what it is. It's just like
I like me better
videos of
when
me
I'm with you.
and it's been a lot of fun making these videos, and I enjoy it. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. So you guys are free to follow me if you'd like. On Instagram, it's at FaithyJoy. And then let's see, we can click over here. And so here's my TikTok. And it's the same thing. But basically the captions on TikTok, they don't let you do as long of captions. So that's why Instagram is good, because then I can put the whole recipe in there. And then, so I'm not really sure if I want to create a blog, but this is kind of what I have so far. I'm not really even sure if people read blogs anymore, but so I may just end up posting the recipes on here as well, but then I'm not really sure if it's like 100% needed because I already do that on Instagram, so not 100% sure with that. With Like to Know It, that is kind of still in the works, but basically it's going to be like where you can see the things that I'm using in my videos. So like if you like this type of like, I don't know, silverware I'm using, you can click on this and then it'll show you where you can buy it. And then this is kind of like a little, I guess, competition that you could say that I signed up for. It's called Favorite Chef 2021. And the voting, it begins tomorrow, actually. And so I don't really know how this is going to be, but I decided to enter myself in here. And so you guys can vote for me tomorrow to be your favorite chef if you like what I'm doing, which would be pretty cool. And basically, if you win, you get $20,000, and then you also get a feature in a magazine. So we will see if that goes anywhere, but I thought it was worth a try. And that's my dog, Penny. She's a golden retriever. She's in lots of my videos. Let's see. This is a cute one. And yeah, so she just makes little special appearances. Other than that, that is what I do in my free time when I'm not helping Rob. And let's see. Oops, can you guys still see this? Wait. There we go. Okay. I think that's it. I don't know what else to say.
Good. All right. Nice job.
Thanks, guys. I'll go hop over in the chat now.
You okay?
So scary.
You good?
Yeah.
You did good. You did great. What's going on, everybody? All right. All right. So let me get situated. Thank you, Miss Faith. Isn't she outstanding, folks? She is really, really such a huge part of our team here, and I appreciate you. I appreciate you welcoming her so forcefully. She's just awesome. She really helps me get a lot of stuff done here. She does a lot of the show prep, and she's just all around an awesome person. So go check her out. She is in that contest. Just making sure that my levels are all good here before we dive into some of the content. All right. All right. Yeah. So once again, go give Miss Faith a follow. Big round of applause for Miss Faith. She's just huge here, and she makes my life much, much simpler. So thank you, Miss Faith.